GreaseShield, the grease management solution. In the commercial kitchen industry, there can be much confusion with the sizing of a grease management system. There is no one-size-fits-all method for effective grease management. For a standard sink bowl 600 mm by 450 by 300, a 100-litre passive grease trap is normally recommended. However, this would mean that the grease trap fills extremely quickly and drastically reduces the performance and retention. An effective grease trap should be sized 10 times larger than the flow, plus an additional 25%, meaning for a single standard-sized sink bowl, an 812-litre grease trap is required, resulting in massive usage of valuable kitchen space. In compliance with BSEN, 1825 static grease traps should be pumped out every 4 weeks or when they are 25% full of food waste, resulting in huge costs and operational downtime. GreaseShield is the grease management solution manufactured by ePass, Environmental Products and Services Limited. GreaseShield can solve all of the confusion in the grease management industry by offering site-specific solutions to grease management based on the flow rates of the contamination points in each commercial kitchen. GreaseShield offers a range of different models, each tailor-made for different contamination points found in kitchens. GreaseShield is a proactive grease recovery unit, meaning that it is designed to work around the operating hours of your kitchen. Unlike a passive grease trap, GreaseShield separates the food waste and the fats, oils and grease into separate compartments, helping to eliminate the foul smells normally associated with grease management. Unlike static grease traps, GreaseShield does not require pumping every 4 weeks, meaning less operational downtime for your kitchen. GreaseShield also does not require enzymes or bio-additives, so no need for additional purchases. GreaseShield is the only grease management solution that can remove emulsified animal fats from the effluent, helping to keep drain lines free from FOGs and preventing prosecution from local water companies. Daily maintenance on a GreaseShield is extremely easy. Staff simply empty out and wash the food waste basket, then tip out the FOG container into their oil bin, followed by a quick wash with soapy water. With a Global Green Tag Platinum Health Rate certification, showcasing GreaseShield products pass the world's toughest standards for health, eco-performance, and safety. GreaseShield have the lowest energy use of any competitor and the lowest emitter of carbon emissions, utilizing waste thermal energy detected in effluent being discharged to the drainage systems to remove saturated fats before they solidify. GreaseShield sets the benchmark for grease management. Fully certified and globally award-winning, GreaseShield is a constantly innovating technology. We have recently introduced our groundbreaking new technology into GreaseShield units, the EPLC. With the new EPLC, you can wirelessly adjust and program the operational hours of your kitchen into the GreaseShield. You can check and adjust the GreaseShield status settings and carry out system function tests. All from your phone, meaning no more crawling on hands and knees to access the internal settings of the unit. It can all be done quick, easy, and wirelessly. GreaseShield, the grease management solution.